Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So my name is Somasi. I want to share with you guys this new trend that have been happening, like this new trend just since yesterday. Like it has been popping up so much on Twitter, and I'm somebody who goes to Twitter to know the latest trends, to stay updated from industry leaders, to know what's happening in the tech space and everything. So I've been seeing this thing since yesterday. Like I'm like Devin. I was like, who is Devin? What's this Devin? All of that. So I had to take my time to do the research, to know what's happening with this Devin before I could make a video on it. So I want to share my own insight, like my own take on Devin. So last year, 2023, ChatGPT got this massive recognition in the tech space. So everybody was talking about ChatGPT, this, that. No, some people were afraid AI will take my job, and all of that. But right now, we are all using what? ChatGPT to our own advantage. Like someone like me, I use ChatGPT every day for content ideas, for content creations, for documentation, for posts and all of that. So it has been very, very useful for me. So we have this Devin. Now, what's Devin? Devin is the first AI software engineer ever. Man, what is going crazy? Like, what is mad? First AI software out there developed by this tech company called Cognition Labs. Man, can you hear that? The first AI company. When I read about these things, I go through it. I was like, man, what's happening? Like, the world is going crazy. I was like, last year we had ChatGPT. This year now is Devin. Where's the world going? That kind of a thing. So I want to share my own insights on this Devin. To me, AI definitely will replace some jobs, of course, but not all, because I believe despite that they are machines, despite they are computers to an extent, they still need humans to operate it. Devin can just develop a software for you out of the blue. You as a human, you need to tell it what it needs to do for you. Of course, that's what I believe. So now when it comes to these people being afraid of Devin, do they need to? Do they have to? If you check and balance it for real, at some point you need to be afraid. If your job is something that can be replaced by it. Okay, let's say for example, let's say someone who is a software engineer. At this point, Devin won't replace you. Do you know why? If you are to be hired, let's say for example, you have a job. Let's say for example, you have a job to do for a company or maybe for a recruiter, something like that, and they needed you to do something because you already have the skill, because you already know how to do this. To save you time, stress, energy, and all of that, Devin will be will be there to help you. Definitely, Devin will be there to help you, to assist you with the job. Maybe make it faster for you. Even add some things for you. As long as you have the idea, you have wireframed it, you already know what you want out of it. So I believe it will be there to help you. Just like ChatGPT, it's just there to help us developers. ChatGPT empowers us in so many ways. Help you to give you boiler codes, to help you to correct, help you to factor your codes and all of that. So that's what I believe in this Devin. So now let's look at this Devin in short. Yeah, let me just try to summarize this Devin of a thing. Basically, it's a tech company introduced by like I said, is an AI software introduced by a tech company called what? Devin. So when this company called Cognition Labs, man, you guys are good for real. Like I must say, you guys are good. So like I said earlier, it's the first AI software. Now, what can it do? One, it can write codes for you. It can create websites. Like it, just like you don't have to kind of like, you don't like. I saw this thing in action. Like I saw the action of this Devin. I was like, wow, like this thing is crazy. It can write code for you. You just have to give it the commands. Do this for me. I want you to do this. So it can create codes. It can write. It can create websites. It can just create software with just a single prompt. Man, mad. Like it's crazy. So crazy. It can write code for it, can create websites, it can just just with a single prompt, man, it will give you what you want. Just like ChatGPT, the way you go to ChatGPT, you give me this and this and this. ChatGPT within seconds will give you what you want. this software is good, man. This software is good, like it's fucking good. But I believe, man, I'm not getting replaced. The only thing is, I will just use it to my own advantage. That's what I have to say. I will use it to my own advantage. So now let's look at what. Let's summarize this thing. Let's look at what the second point. This is actually it is created according to Cognition Lab. They said it's what is not intended to replace human being, not at all. They said this software was not intended to replace human being. That's what they said, and which is true, which I believe. Despite how good it is, it cannot replace human being. We are humans. We have this flavor. There's this human touch we add to things. There's these things we add to things to make it live, to make it human, to have this human feeling. No matter how perfect it is, it cannot replace human. The company said it, that it's the intention of this software is not to replace humans. So people who are already afraid that it will replace my job, it will replace me, not at all. So it's not here to replace you. But what is it here? It is here to assist us and make work easier. It's here to assist us, make work easier for us. So if you're already having this mindset of I'm getting replaced and all of that, please try to change your mindset. Try to change this mindset. This is here to assist us, to help us. Okay, let's imagine let's say you got lucky. Let's say you had this gig. You have like 4 gig coming in for you as a software engineer. Normally, you will need to hire people outside that you will give her this job so that you will get your own commission from it. But I believe with this Devin now, you can run these things with just assistance from this Devin. You can just run up this you can just give it the commands, do this, and it will give you that. Then you now as a human, you just have the ability to do some finishing touches, like do 1 or 2 touches on it, and you will give to the client. And the client will not even know that you actually use Devin to do this job. So I believe he's just here to assist us, not to destroy us, not to replace us or anything. That's the second point of it. Now the third point of it, it has been successfully it has passed all engineering interviews from top leading AI companies. They have tested it. They have confirmed it. It has passed all interviews and it has been confirmed that it's good. Man, tell me, why can't you use this? Why are you afraid of this? Why can't you use this, man? This is good. So Devin, man, just have to use this to your own advantage. Do what you have to do and take care of your business. Like I said, all right. So accept this Devin, accept this AI software. No matter what has been said, don't be afraid that you will lose your job and not losing your job. Just use it to your own advantage. It's just there to assist you. It's just here to help you. All right. So I want to hear from you guys, your talk, your intake, what you think about this new software out there and all of it. Like I said, it's a tech company. It's a software. It's an AI software introduced by Cognition Labs. Like I said, it's capable of coding, capable of creating websites, and the software through a single prompt. And it is designed to work alongside humans. And it's designed to work alongside human engineers. Just like the way robots work with human beings, just like ChatGPT use just like human beings use ChatGPT, it is designed to work with we humans. The tech world is changing, like it's moving is going to a length where if you ask me where is it going, I will tell you I don't know, but I know that we are going somewhere that is amazing. So that to me, I feel it's either you are on the train or you go out of the train. But why do you want to be out of the train, man? Be on the train. Follow the trains, man. All right? So this is me sharing my own insight, man. I'm just happy that this software is being introduced because it will help me a lot. It will do me a whole lot. All right? So I want you guys to adopt it. Share your insights. Tell me what you think about this software, anything you think about, or maybe if you have used it, your experience working with it and all of that. I would love to hear from you guys. Remember, give this video a thumbs up to help with YouTube algorithms. Subscribe to the channel to support the movement and comment, share your thoughts on this video in the comment section. Right? Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bless up. Peace as always. Bye.